Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So from here, first you want to make sure your vehicle is turned on, which this currently is. So now that this is on, you make sure your display is turned on. But we'll go to phone, so power, phone, and then from add, we're going to click this.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So you make sure your Bluetooth's on and then pair a new device. And it is now searching for sync, which there it is. It says up here.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It's the same. So then confirm again here. And that should be it. Now your phone's connected so you can take calls and things like that. Pairing successful. Sometimes this takes a few tries. You might have to restart the car.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Sync up your messages. Sometimes you got to restart your phone. It's a trial and error. Sometimes you might have to forget on your device and then try again. Sometimes you got too many phones paired, so you might have to delete a phone. You can set it as my favorite. It doesn't really matter. I'll say yes. Okay, so Bluetooth devices. And that's it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.